Hello friends, today we are to see next addition reaction. This is the addition reaction of butadiene. When the butadiene reacts with reagents such as HBr and Br2 undergoes addition reaction and gives 1,2 addition product or 1,4 addition product because it is diene. Two double bonds are present in butadiene. Across the one double bond when addition reaction takes place, it called as 1,2 addition reaction. If addition reaction takes place at first and fourth carbon and the double bond shifted between the middle carbons, so here this addition reaction is called as 1,4 addition reactions. So now here we have to see 1,2 addition and 1,4 addition reaction of butadiene with HBr and Br2. Now when butadiene, that is CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH2, so this is 1,3 butadiene. When it reacts with Br2, that is bromine, undergoes addition across this first pi bond and we get here CH2Br, CHBr, this double bond remain as it is CH double bond CH2 plus bromine added to 1,4 carbon and the double bond shifted between the middle carbon. So CH2 Br, CH double bond CH, CH2 Br. So here the bromine added across the 1,2 carbon, it is called as 1,2 addition product, while it is called as 1,4 addition product. If you see stability of 1,2 addition and 1,4 addition product, as the double bond present here internally or between the non-terminal carbons, this is more stable as per the hyperconjugation, while this is less stable. So this forms in a predominant form or this forms in a major proportion. So 1,4 addition product is major while 1,2 addition product is minor. Now I have to see its mechanism. If you see its mechanism, then here we have CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH2. When it reacts with Br2, that is bromine molecule, so here this pi electron pair attacks on this and this bromide detaches. So bromide detaches from this one bromine. So we get here CH2 Br, this CH plus, and here there is CH double bond CH2. So this is here allyl carbocation we get. This is allyl carbocation. Now this allyl carbocation undergoes resonance effect because of this conjugated pi bond. So this undergoes stabilization, this pi bond shifted here and this one allyl carbocation converted to other allyl carbocation. So we get here this CH2Br, CH double bond CH, CH2 plus. So this is also second allyl carbocation. So double bond, and this is the next carbon to the double bond, which is called as allyl carbon, which is having positive charge, called as allyl carbocation. So here these two allyl carbocations are there, which are formed during this reaction. Now this reacts with bromide, this also reacts with bromide. When this reacts with bromide, it attacks here on the electropositive carbon, this also reacts with this electropositive carbon, and we get here this product. When this bromide attacks here, we get this product, and when this bromide attacks here, we get this product. So in this way we get here 1,2 addition product and 1,4 addition product. Now here this 1,2 addition and 1,4 addition product is CH2Br, CHBr, CH double bond CH2. So here this is terminal alkene, while here we get CH2, CH double bond CH, CH2, here there is Br, here there is Br. So here this is internal alkene. So this is terminal, this is internal or non-terminal. As per the hyperconjugation, so the non-terminal alkenes are more stable. So this is formed in a major proportion, while this is here minor. 1,2 addition product is minor because this 1,2 addition product is having terminal alkene, double bond is situated in the terminal carbons, but here the double bond is situated between the non-terminal or the internal carbons, middle carbons. So this is more stable. So thermally this is highly unstable, this is more stable. So this compound at high temperature converted to this one. So this is thermodynamically more stable. 1,4 addition product is more stable. This is major and here this is minor. This compound is also called as thermodynamically more stable product. So in this way, here when butadiene reacts with bromine, gives 1,2 addition product, bromine added across the 1,2 carbon, or this bromine added across the 1,4 carbon gives 1,4 addition product, in which double bond is present internally. So it is more stable and it is formed in a major proportion. So this is the reaction of addition of bromine to butadiene. Now we have to see addition of HBr to butadiene. Addition of HBr, CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH2 plus HBr. So here we get here 1,2 addition product as well as 1,4 addition product. How? So when CH2, here this H, CHBr, we can write this CH3 and here CH double bond CH2. So here this is 1,2 addition product, or this bromide attaches to this carbon. So we get here CH3, CH double bond CH, CH2Br. So this is here 1,4 addition product. This is here more stable because of non-terminal alkene. So double bond is here internal. How it forms? Same way, here this attacks on the H plus ion and we get here this carbocation CH2, that is here this H. Now we get here this CH plus and here this CH double bond CH2. This bromide can attacks here after loss of proton. This bromide may attacks here and we get this product, or this double bond shifted here and this bromide attacks on this. So we get this 1,4 addition product. So in this way, butadiene is having conjugated pi bonds. Due to the presence of two conjugated pi bonds, here this allyl carbocation undergoes resonance effect, gives another allyl carbocation. So due to the resonance effect, two carbocations are obtained and both are interconvertible. So bromide can attacks on the second carbon or it can attacks on the fourth carbon or this carbon. So we get here 1,2 or 1,4 addition product during the addition of bromine or HBr across the butadiene. Now in this way, here we have seen this 1,2 addition product and 1,4 addition product in the addition reaction of butadiene. Now the next reactions of butadiene we have to see in the Diels Alder reaction. Now in the Diels Alder reaction, next is Diels Alder reaction. In this Diels Alder reaction, conjugated diene reacts with alkene, that is activated alkene, which is called as dienophile. When conjugated diene reacts with dienophile, that is alkene, gives cyclic addition product. So 6 membered cyclic addition product we get as a product, which is called as addition product or adduct. This reaction is called as Diels Alder reaction or Diels Alder reaction. Now I have to see here the Diels Alder reaction when butadiene reacts with alkene. So here this is alkene, that is ethylene, CH2 double bond CH2. So here this attacks here, this attacks here and this pi bond shifted here and we get here 6 member cyclic transition state. So here this new bond forms, this both pi bonds get break and this pi bond get breaks and these two new sigma bonds are formed. So at the cost of 2 pi bonds, 2 new sigma bonds get formed and we get here cyclic addition product called as adduct. So this is new sigma, here this is new sigma. So these are the 2 new sigma bonds are formed and this product is called as cyclic addition product from the butadiene and alkene. But this butadiene should be electron rich and this should have electron attracting groups. So this should be electron deficient. So when we are attaching eight electron donating groups, then this is highly electron rich, and when we attach eight electron withdrawing groups, it will be electron deficient. So in this way we can have such a kinds of examples. And we have diene, this is conjugated diene, plus CHO, this is propionyl, this is butadiene, this is propionyl. Thermally gives CHO, this addition product. So this reaction is also called as pericyclic reaction, and in this pericyclic reaction category, this is called as cycloaddition reaction. When diene reacts with dienophile, gives 6 member or the cyclic addition product. We can have here the next example, such as when it reacts with malic anhydride. So here this is malic anhydride. When this malic anhydride reacts with butadiene, we get here this cyclic addition product, double bond O, C double bond O, and here this is addition product we get. Instead of this alkene, we can have the different types of alkenes, such as when we have this methyl butadiene, this reacts with double bond COOET, COOET. So here we can get here this product. So any, this is COOET, COOET, and here there is a methyl group. So in this way cyclic addition product we can get. So this dienophile can be like this. This is diene 2-methyl butadiene plus C triple bond C, COOET, COOET. So here thermally, so here this undergoes cyclic addition product COOET, this double bond is here COOET. So here this new sigma bond, this new sigma bond, this new sigma bond, this new sigma bond. So these are the new sigma bonds are formed. So 2 pi bonds are replaced using 2 new sigma bonds. So at the cost of 2 pi bonds, 2 new sigma bonds get formed between the 2 carbons of diene and these 2 carbons of dienophile. So there is a sigma bond formed here through the cyclic 6-member transition state. So this reaction is proposed by scientists Diels and Alder. These are the 2 names of scientists, Diels and Alder, who proposed this cyclic addition reaction between the conjugated diene and the alkenes, activated alkenes. So in this way, through the 6-member transition state, here we get cyclic addition product. This reaction is also called as pericyclic reaction, and in this pericyclic, this is known as cycloaddition reaction. So in this way we can take here any conjugated diene which reacts with alkene. Alkene should have electron attracting groups such as CHO, COOH, COOET, CN, and gives here the 6-member addition product. So in this way here we have seen Diels Alder reaction between the dienes and dienophiles. So in the first we have seen reaction of butadiene with bromine and HBr. Now here in this we have seen reaction of butadienes with alkenes. Thank you.